Yeah, you got hands up whoever's single. The ladies here want to know.
Yeah, I'm always.
Yeah. Okay, so this is guys having lunch out here. We're really happy to be able to do something for them because they have really been working hard for us. You have no idea. These guys are just monsters at working, and if it wasn't for them, we would be in the black for a lot longer. So we are very happy that they're here. The entire town loves it that they're here, and we wish we could have them here like permanent, but I know they got to go home sometime. They got families to go to, but in the meantime, we would like to thank them for everything they've done for us. The work, the dedication, it's just been absolutely awesome. The entire town loves them to death. They can't stop saying anything. It's all good stuff about them. So this will be it for right now. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Bye.